Imagine a massive fallen tree blocking everything, but you're only armed with tools from centuries past. No chainsaws, no heavy machinery, just your strength, skill, and the satisfying crunch of wood. Can a tree of this size truly be tamed with nothing but hand tools? Stick around to see this epic old school challenge unfold. And this is the culprit in question. A tree that has fallen down and it's blocking the path. Traditionally this would be removed with a chainsaw, but today I will be tackling it with this handsaw. I will start with this one, cutting this piece off, creating a path through the middle. Let's see. And I think that's it. I was gonna say it's just the bark, and I didn't even finish and it fell off. I'm going to go for a cut here. And change of plan, looking at it, I'll be cutting here. Much better chances for the saw not to get stuck. I'm facing a bit of a challenge here. Now that I cut this big piece off, it's a bit too heavy to move. And this piece is in the way. So the challenge is to move that piece as well. There you have it. Cleared path. And if you watch this far, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you really enjoyed it, give it a like. See you in the next video.